Boom. Let's even get rid of this. And here we are. Back in the Crypto Lodge. Let me share my screen. The whole screen. And nothing but the screen. Alright. So I always talk about Atari, I know this. Just something I want you to think about. They launched the NFTs yesterday. You go to Atari NFT.io. Just take a look for yourself. You can sign in with your ledger to buy them, or Anchor, or Wax Cloud Wallet, or Scatter. Where's MetaMask though? Not too happy about that. What about whatever? Let's take a look at the charts. Not too much has probably changed since the last time I streamed earlier today. But let me repeat myself. Let me try to make it look better. Let's pretend. Let's just pretend. See if we can change the color of this. There we go. So black. Awesome. No, not awesome. There we go. But then we got all this in our way. Well, at one point, the only chart us crypto heads had to look at it looked a little something like, one second here. It looked a little something like this. Remember this chart? Remember this one? When this is what the chart looked like? As it smoothed it out like that. Whatever. All we ever hoped for was 20K again. We were sitting around 7,000. We dropped all the way down to 4,000 and recovered. We were sitting around 7,000, pushing 8,000, dreaming of 20K. Remember that? So let's not be too surprised when this happens. Now this looks so small. If we just get rid of this, reset the chart, let's get rid of everything. Reset chart. Go on the weekly. Reset the chart again. Pull out. Now that's what we used to hope for. We were down here hoping for this to happen again. And then this happened, which took us way above our moving averages. We were riding above them, bouncing off those moving averages until the crash happened, of course. But we've learned in crypto that when things go down, things come back up really fast. Things don't take years to recover, or even months. Things take days and weeks to recover in crypto. That's why we're seeing 23% moves today. Why we see the market up 21% the other day. The market is down, prices are lower than they have been in a long time, but sentiment has never been higher. Everybody's talking about crypto. My landlord bought Cardano, asked me if he should keep on holding it. I said, yes, sir. I'm not a financial advisor, but yes, sir, keep holding it. See my long-term projection here. If Ethereum 1559 passes, or 2.0, or even optimism, or if Ethereum becomes deflationary, look out. It's gonna 10x. Because right now, you know, that that plays a major role, a deflationary asset. That's why Bitcoin's going back to 100K. Let's pull the Bitcoin chart back up. We're not done talking about Bitcoin, not by a long shot. Now here's Bitcoin on the daily. Bitcoin makes some incredible moves. History doesn't repeat itself ever. Not exactly, but it does rhyme. And this was Bitcoin's natural movement. This was how it just moved up naturally, with people saying, "Oh, you know, all the FUD and the news and the everyday." This is about, you know, 2 months. I'm just guessing. Now let's just say it does that again from here. It makes it in the same natural comeback as it did before. That puts us at 80K. In 130 days with a 124% gain. But that's if things just move back up naturally. The market took an unnatural dip. So I am predicting, and I'm not a financial advisor, I'm predicting a steeper, quicker correction to the upside. And I may be crazy, but I am predicting 88K Bitcoin next month, 34 days from now. 148% profit if you buy Bitcoin now at 35K. Opposite of a financial advisor here, but that's just my opinion. I'm just a guy that streams and drinks out of mason jars. That spring water. All right. Okay. I'm not done with Bitcoin yet. I'm still not done with Bitcoin. Now, what if this momentum just. Okay, this is the correction. Sure, we come up fast and hard. But then, hey, Jesse, we're just going to continue. It's natural, regular movement. Sure, I agree. We're going to go back to a more 45-degree angle after we correct to the upside. Agreed. Let's even underestimate a bit. Say it has a good correction like right here and comes down to about there. Like this. Okay? Cool. And then it just happens again. But with a nice dip. A nice dip. I'm giving I'm giving the benefit of the doubt of the dips along the way. They happen. It's gonna happen. All right. We're already at over $140,000. And I am a believer in the super cycle, and I think a super cycle will take us a lot higher, a lot quicker. Laser eyes to 100K. That's why in the Crypto Lodge logo, my eyes are covered. Because I don't want everyone to see the lasers. But my third eye is wide open, and that's 300% gains in 310 days. That's 310% gains in 310 days. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on a Bitcoin day. Buy the dip, or you're just lame. It's some good advice you just should take. 'Cause 9 out of 9, it recovers. 10 out of 10, it recovers. Crypto's a funny thing. I'm gonna get a copyright violation. But yeah, we're gonna dwarf, just like we dwarfed this one. It's just little Ripple now. No pun intended. XRP. We're gonna have a big old spike here too. Maybe it'll go something different. Maybe it'll do something like this. Because hey, that's what that did. What kind of gains did that put in? Let's go find out. What kind of gains did it put in? A lot. $500%. All right. I stopped working. I abused it. Well, we're going to see a lot of gains on Bitcoin. Most Bitcoin mining is eco-friendly. Bitcoin mining and Ethereum mining actually encourage, is the word I was looking for, encourage green energy. Ethereum's going to be just fine with 2.0. You know, they said themselves, here's Ren. Ren's going to do this. It'll probably be $3. $3 in a couple weeks. It's sitting at 62 cents. I'm projecting a 73% gain in Cardano, up to $3 in 10 days. If I'm wrong, come back and yell at me. If I'm right, come back and subscribe. Because the whole world is so stingy with that subscribe button. You get 6,000 views and one like, you know? It's funny. But that's more than 10 days. It's 11. My bad. 73% in 11 days. Yeah, but what's a few percent? A few percent up, down, left, right. Phantom. Hey, you want to see something awesome? It was Ren. And I've never seen this in crypto before in my life. That's why when I seen this it happen to Ren, I said, I'm getting this. This is mine. I have to get a chunk of it. Ren's a great protocol. Do your own research. But watch this. I'm going to do this perfectly. From the top candle, that's the all-time high. I'm going to get exactly at it. Right there. To the bottom candle. That is a 98.85%. It's hard to get it right on. Look at that right there. Right here. And right here. Yeah, I guess I could try to pull that back over. That's wrong. Hold on. Right on it. Right on it. There we go. I've never seen a 99% reduction in a crypto ever in my life. Okay, let me get right on it. Let me zoom in on both. I want to see exactly, because this is insanity. All right, am I right on that wick? Yes, I am. Am I right on this wick? Yes, I am. So Ren protocol dropped 99.03%. That's incredible. And when I saw that, and looked into Ren protocol, $3. $3, and it dropped to almost no dollars. What did it drop to? I want to see this. I want to zoom all the way in on this. How do I even do that? There we go. It dropped all the way to. Let's keep going in. Is that as far as it lets me zoom in? It doesn't even have that decimal. Hold on. It dropped to. All right, 0.01672. It dropped to a cent. It dropped to a cent, and it's going to $3. Like tomorrow, like as soon as possible. Real fast. What was that? Okay. But that's enough Ren shilling. But not a 9903 product. Oh my god. I've never seen that before in my life. We love you, Ren. You made history. You made history. It may have it. I'm sure it happened before with lower market cap things, but if you've seen something do that other than Ren at a market cap higher than 10 million, and market cap higher than 200 million, let me know in the comment. But that's a 99% reduction. Nothing else has ever done that. Maddox dip was big. Wick to wick, 71%. Ethereum's dip was big. Wick to wick, 60%. Phantom had one, and Luna. I'll show you Luna. Phantom's dip was big. It was more like 70. Yeah, 80%. It's a great Phantom's a great buy in my opinion. And Luna. DeFi on Luna is amazing because their DeFi protocol Anchor guarantees a 20% APY on lending. And even in the midst of an 82% correction, the APY only dropped to 18%. So stakers were still earning 18% APY as this was happening. And in fact, now the APY is 23%. So the Anchor protocol on TERRA blockchain tries to stabilize the APY at 20%. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. And when the underlying blockchain dropped 82%, the APY only dropped from 20% to 18%. And now it's over 20. It was over 20 within days of the crash. So I'm very bullish on Luna. But again, I'm just a guy on a live stream that drinks out of a mason jar and is not a financial advisor. I don't even know if my streams work. But that's about everything. What shows up on YouTube's homepage is just ridiculous. Come on. Get it together. Get yourself together. I'm going to call it a stream. I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe if you're still watching. You like it. Let me stop sharing my screen here. If you're still watching, you like it. So join t.me/the crypto lodge. That's Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, download it. It's quick. t.me/the crypto lodge. Mic drop.